Phoenix, please tell me you have the package.
I would if somebody was a little less aggressive.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we will try to solve Valorant game error code 84, which is related to internet connection issues. And now let's start with the steps. Before we go to the steps, make sure to check Valorant official Twitter and the Riot Games service status page for updates. Scheduled maintenance usually happens around new patches, acts, or episodes, typically on Tuesdays, with servers returning around 12 p.m. Central Time. For unscheduled server outages, these sources will provide the latest information. Step 1. Open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Choose Network and Internet, and then select Change Adapter Options. Then, go to the network that is connected to the Internet, right-click on it, and choose Properties. Then, choose Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Change the selection to Use the following DNS server addresses and input the following values. Preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1 alternate DNS server 1.0.0.1. Then click OK. Step 2. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then, we will enter the following two commands, as provided in the video description: ipconfig, flush DNS,
You cannot let her plant.
All right, I'm going in.
What about the hostile?
I wouldn't worry about her.
Are you certain?
100. I got this.
미안해서 어쩌나?
and the second command is netish network reset. Then, restart the PC. Hopefully, you have successfully solved the problem. See you in the next video.